Hello students, good morning, have a good day. Welcome back to e-learning children. This week we learned term 1 poem Beyond the Universe. Did you remember it? Okay, fine. Today I am going to revise Behind the Universe poem and I am going to teach you question answers, meanings and also match the following. These are the additional exercise from your poem. Come, let's revise our poem. Okay? Beyond the universe, I dream of flying beyond the earth, midst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Poet is dream of flying beyond the earth. Is it? Okay, let's move on to stanza 2. Fly on towards the Saturn with its rings and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Here poet is describing about the structure of the Saturn and the Jupiter planet. Now we move on to third stanza of this poem. And we move on to third stanza. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without your fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Here in this stanza, poet is flying to Neptune, Uranus planet and then he flying beyond the galaxy. Why he flying beyond the galaxy? Yes, to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Poet is traveling beyond the earth to meet the creator of this beautiful world. So, he goes on to long journey across the galaxies. First one in meanings, first one is beyond. Beyond means outside the limits or reach. And second one is amidst. Amidst means surrounded by. Listen carefully children. And third one is marveling. Marveling means something that causes wonder. If your mom buys you a new dress or a new car to play, you looked wonder, no? You just say wow, that is marveled. Marveled means nothing but wondered. Here marveling means something that causes wonder. And fourth one is resembles. Resembles means to be like or similar to. Resembles means to be like, same. Looking like same, it means similar, resembles. And then next one is marbles. Marbles is a little ball of glass or clay used by children to play. And next one is hurdling. Racing over the barriers. Racing over the barriers means coming out of the problems. And next one is further. Further means to move ahead. These are the synonyms you have in your book. Okay children, is it clear to you? And then we move on to match the following. First one, Mars. Mars, how the poet called Mars? Yes, very good, red planet. Then second one is Saturn. How Saturn is mentioned in the poem? Very good, rings and moons. Jupiter. Jupiter, the correct answer is? Yes, very good. Jupiter is red storm. Last one, red storm. And fourth one is Uranus. Uranus, did you have any ideas? Yes, very good. Uranus is rolling on its axis. And fifth one is Neptune, blue eyes giant. Then we are going to move on, answer the following. Okay, listen carefully children. These are very easy answers only. You listened poem very carefully, no? It is very easy to learn, okay? Please concentrate and study well children. First one, answer the following. First question is, in his dream, where is the poet flying to? Yes, where the poet is flying to in his dream? In his dream, the poet is flying to see the places beyond the planets and galaxies. This is your first question and answer. Okay. Where the poet is flying to in his dream? In his dream, the poet is flying to see the places beyond the planets and galaxies. It is just an imaginary poem. Okay. And second one, which planets has rings around it? Which planets has rings and moons around it? Yes, very good. Saturn has rings around it. Okay, which planet has which planet has rings around it? Saturn has rings around it. Third one is, which planet has red storm? Jupiter planet has red storm. Then we move on to our fourth and fifth question. Why does the poet fly out of the universe? Already I told you when I explained poem. Why the poet fly out of the universe? The poet flies out of the universe to meet the creator. Yes, very good. Then we move on to fifth one. Name the planets the poet flies through. What are the planets the poet flies? Did you remember it? Okay, good. Answer is, poet flies through the planets such as Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is one of the favorite quotes, okay, by Carl Sagan. Imagination will often carry us to world that never were, but without it we go nowhere. This is one of the imaginary poem, is it? So imagination can carry us to where we cannot be. We cannot go out of the universe, but imagination makes us to go out of the universe. This is only just for your reference. And today's assignment. Today you are going to write test upon Behind the Universe poem question and answers. I discussed about Behind the Universe question answers in this video, is it? So today you are going to write test upon 6 question and answers only. I revised you 6 question answers of Behind the Universe, is it? So today kindly write your test. Write 6 question and answers as a test and post it as soon as possible in Google Classroom. I hope you clearly understood this topic. Kindly prepare for your unit test also. Already I sent portions for unit test. Okay children, thank you for watching. Bye.